Back home in Cameroon, beans were never just something you threw into a salad. Beans meant a warm meal, something rich, filling, and comforting. And when I moved to Sweden and I saw people eating beans cold, I was shocked.
Hi guys, you're welcome back to my kitchen. This is the Flavor Lab with Zidel. Today we are going to be making Cameroonian beans and rice. Once you've cooked your beans, it comes together in under no time. And even if you choose not to cook your beans, you can actually just buy already cooked beans from the store. And also you can choose to cook your beans maybe one day before, 1 week before, and it becomes easy. So stay with me and let's make some delicious rice and beans.
I'm starting off with some dried fish straight from the motherland, which I soaked overnight in salty water. I'll give that a really good rinse, and as always, feel free to use whatever protein you like. Now add the fish into a pot and season with some salt, paprika, garlic powder. Add enough water to cover the fish and let it cook until nice and tender. Today I'm using red kidney beans that I cooked the day before, but you can use any beans, black beans, white beans. We have so many varieties back home in Cameroon. Guys, if you are in Sweden, I really recommend trying the organic Muti canned tomatoes. This is something I always keep in my kitchen. I love it because it cooks quickly, tastes very natural, and is less acidic. I usually buy the crushed or whole ones, but since I'm using whole tomatoes today, I'll quickly blend them in my food processor. God bless the day I invested in this food processor because it makes life so much easier. Next, I'm adding some garlic, ginger, some scotch bonnet, parsley, basil, and a little white pepper into the blender. Then blending everything together. And because I really love onions, I'm adding 2 onions nicely diced. Now that everything is prepped, let's build the stewed beans. Heat up some oil. Then add the onions and fry until soft. Then add some of the blended mixture followed by the tomatoes. Then let that to cook down for a few minutes before adding in the fish together with the stock. Give everything a good stir, then add the beans. Some people prefer their beans a little thicker and drier, but since I'm serving mine with rice, I like adding a bit more liquid. So I rinse out the blender and added in the remaining green seasoning mix. At this point, I actually added little more water, but somehow it didn't record. Now, throw in some extra scotch bonnet just in case the blended one isn't enough. Then adjust your seasoning. I also added 1 fish bouillon cube to give everything a stir and let it simmer while you wash and cook your rice. If you're enjoying this video so far, kindly subscribe for more delicious recipes like this. Don't forget to like and comment as well. It really helps my videos reach more people. Now I'm pounding some crayfish and adding it into the pot. Then finish it off with some fresh herbs. Parsley and basil works really well, but today I'm using spring onions. And just like that, our easy Cameroonian stewed beans is ready. I love that it still has a little bit of liquid, absolutely perfect with rice. Back home in Cameroon, beans can be paired with so many things: plantains, puff puff, cocoyams, potatoes, and that's what makes it such a flexible and comforting meal. I guess after all these years in Sweden, this is still my favorite way to enjoy beans: warm, flavorful, and served with rice. Thank you so much for watching the Flavor Lab with Zidel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.